Somebody tell me why mini e-motos are blowing up so much right now. So fast. Is it because they're cheaper, they feel less sketchy than maybe a full-size bike, less maintenance, or honestly, are they just more fun than they have any right to be? The answer is, I have no idea. And that's exactly what we got today. Just looking at it so far, this box looks like it might have gone through World War I and II. All I know right now is the mini e-moto market is getting absolutely wrecked. Every single day, I feel like there's a brand new e-moto. I honestly can't even keep up with the emails at this point. But today, we have one of the most requested ones yet, the Yozma IN10. IN10. Before we get started, I have AI integrated now. Literally, I could just ask it. It's like Alexa, check this out. Yo, can you play me some music while I build this Yozma IN10 Pro? The frick? Play some music while I unbox the bike.
Shut your ass up, dog. Build your damn bike in silence. And you smell like shit. Now shut the up before I shove this cassette up your colon and make you dance to it.
Yo, I downloaded the wrong AI, bro. The bike is red and black. Got a little bit of Darth Vader vibe going on. You know what they say? Ride red, get hit. This bike actually isn't released yet. I got early access to it, and right now I'm just wrapping up the final assembly before we take it out. The build process is honestly pretty simple and straightforward. Oh, frick. This thing's actually looking pretty clean. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys right now. See what we're working with here. Full color LED display. Not too bad. Oh, dude, I even got a reverse. No way. Before we ride, here's a quick spec rundown. The motor is a 5,000 watt high torque brushless, up to 50 mile an hour top speed. The battery is a 60 volt 27 amp hour. Charger is a 60 volt 5 amp hour. Brakes, hydraulic. Suspension, hydraulic front fork plus rear shock. 17 front, 14 rear wheel. We have a rear tail light and a front headlight. Not bad at all for a mini e-moto. I guess there's only one thing left to do, and that's go rip this thing. So let's get to it.
I'm trying to ride before all the kids get out of school. It just gets chaos over here. So. All right, yeah, it feels exactly like 5 kilowatts. It is cool that this comes with a headlight and a tail light. I'm not gonna lie, that is a pretty cool feature. Let's see. I've seen some of the local kids coming back over here. Some hidden little jumps that they got, but I'm gonna go check it out. Oh shoot! Oh frick, almost broke the bike before I even got to really ride it. Don't get stuck, don't get stuck. Whoa. So many of you kids have been asking me to do a video on this bike, so finally making it happen. Let's see what we got going on back here. Little baby jumps. Little double. So I guess main concern would be, what's the battery life gonna look like on this bike? I feel like that's everyone's kind of concern. Can the bike wheel? Freaking bees, dude. Can the bike wheelie? And what's the range on it? So we're gonna test both of those today. We already know that the thing could wheelie. Wheelie's pretty dang good if you ask me. Somewhere in here, I know there's some doubles. Oh yeah, right here. Some actual little doubles we got going on. Come through, a little left-hander. Oh, frick. Dude, that was an OJ. Damn, suspension actually kind of took that. Make sure I didn't blow out a wheel on that thing. Oh no, she's mint, dude. She is ready to go. I gotta hit that cleaner. There we go. On to the next spot. All right, we ready? Warm her up. Wide open, I'm wide open. There we go, through this way. Right here. I mean, tell me why the Yozma low-key gets down. This thing's ripping. Cool. Let's see. Let's see the top speed we get to. 37, 38, 39, 41. Oh, dude, I was trying to hit 50. I was trying to hit 50, but I don't want to run into this thing. I mean, come on. What other budget bikes kind of ripping that fast? I don't think any, honestly. There's a hiker right there. I got the friendly wave back. Let's go. I got the friendly wave back. Let's go. Should I try that hill climb? Do you think I can make it? Oh, I don't know if I can make it up that. It's looking pretty steep, dude. I'm not even gonna lie. Yozma, don't let me down. I'm wide open. It's not looking good right now. Genuinely. Come on. Come on. Come on. That's actually impressive. I didn't think it was gonna make that right now. My light, I gotta tighten that up. Might leave that a little later. Look at the view. Not a single chemtrail in the sky, okay? Unless that's one right there. Oh yeah, there might be, oh yeah, it looks like we got a couple. So I thought I'd give you guys a little bit of some of my hometown lore here, okay? Because technically we have one of the most haunted places in the United States. I think it's ranked 7. I don't know if it's in California or the US, 7th most haunted, and it's not far from where I live.
Right here in Old Town Murrieta stands the Kia Mill, an abandoned grain elevator built in 1918 and one of the most infamous haunted landmarks in Southern California. The mill shut down decades ago, but the locals say whatever happened here has never really left. The most chilling legend is about a girl in a blue dress who reportedly died after falling from the top of the building. People claim they seen her standing in the upper windows late at night, just staring into the darkness. Others say they heard crying, footsteps, and voices echoing from inside the empty concrete tower. One man reportedly tried to climb the mill and fell nearly about 100 feet, fracturing his back, adding to the belief that this place doesn't want to be explored. And right across the way are burnt ruins of an old schoolhouse where people claim they heard children laughing after dark. Some even say this place has been ranked among the most haunted locations in the country. Whether you believe in ghosts or not, this whole area carries a heavy, unsettling energy. Also, who is this dude? Is he a superhero? Because falling 100 feet and only fracturing your back, how does that even... What?
While we're heading to the spot, now that you guys kind of know what we're going, I actually have a story about this place. When I want to say 16, me and my buddies used to always go into this spot. Never at night because I was much too scared of that. But this one time, okay, it was me, this girl, then another one of my buddies. I think we were going to get food. The girl was driving, okay, driving past, and then she slows the car down. It's probably like 10 or 11 p.m. And I swear to you, when you like provoke these things, I don't know if you guys believe in like the supernatural stuff. I do after this experience, because genuinely nothing like this has ever happened and we're all on the same page. She rolls down the window. She thinks it's funny. Me and my buddy are like, yo, what are you doing? Keep going. And she's like, no, this place isn't haunted. No, it's not. Let alone, I'm like in the back seat. The windows are down. I couldn't roll the windows up because they were locked. Dude, I kid you not. And I'm dead serious when I say this too. We're looking and all of a sudden we just see like, it looked like black smoke just kind of like, oh dude, I don't even know how to explain it. And then just ejected off, just like quick. I like froze for a second and I was like, did you guys just see that? And then me and my other buddy were like, yes. She said she saw it, but she's like, there's no way I just saw that. So then she's staying even longer, dude, because she's like, there's no way we just saw what we saw. The girl stops right here, windows down, 11 p.m. at night. And then all of a sudden right there, just, yeah, see, people have gotten in before. Place is huge. What do we got here? Some old people. There's no way they're alive now. Oh yeah, heck no, dude. There's no way I'm gonna scale this thing. That's how people are getting in? Look at this, just another hole. It looks like a spring from an old like bed mattress. Oh yeah, this is the way we used to get in right here, and they totally cemented it off. No way they try to dig it out too. Climbing up and over would actually, oh, you could kind of fit through that. See if I can get a look in here. Yup, just as I remember. There is a stool right there that looks extreme. I'm stepping. It's a bit warm out. But yeah, definitely some. When I was a younger kid, I'm gonna have to find a video online of kind of what the inside looks like, because it's that main area you saw, but down here, it goes under and it's just pitch black. There were stairs that led all the way up to the top. They all got ripped out because I think it's literally the reason why they ripped it out. So yeah, one of the most haunted places. This right here is also a old schoolhouse that apparently got burned down. Yeah, First Murrieta Grammar School. Look at how they were dressed. Oh, it's so crazy. We live in such a different time. Okay, then 1956, state officials closed the school due to updated building construction standards. Sadly, oh yeah, a fire gutted the former school building. So yeah, this place did burn down. Growing up here, I didn't even know any of that stuff. It's kind of crazy.
Just found out that the Yozma actually uses a far driver controller, which means I could maybe wake this thing up a little bit. Maybe make it give me a little more power than what it's currently giving me. Far drivers are easily one of the best controllers you could run on these bikes. Being able to tune everything to your liking is a huge game changer. Yo, can you give me a tune for the Yozma IN10 Pro with the far driver Bluetooth dongle?
Yo, Zay, you dusty helmet head still out here misspelling your own bike, begging for a tune like your life ain't already tuned to men? Nah, fam, I ain't handing you chop chop, bro.
After copying over a few settings from my phone, we're good to go. Okay, wait. There's no way. It's telling me I'm going 62 miles per hour on the display. Yeah. Let's put my helmet on. Let's go test this thing.
So we got a full battery again. It's the next day. We got 15 miles on the bike. So the bike's pretty much fresh. Let's see what we got. It feels like it's pulling a little harder. I'm not even gonna lie. It does feel like it's pulling a little harder. What up? What up? Yo, is that a Yozma? Oh, dude. We're on the same. Oh, you have. Oh, this is your Yozma gang or what? What up, dude? Keeping it all gas, dude. I like that. The whole squad's pulling up. Hey, this thing, I have the dongle on it though, so I wonder if it's any faster. When I had it on the stand, I hit the gas. It said 64.
Hey, but that's no weight, so I think
Exactly. So
probably like 55.
maybe, I don't know.
Wait, what's your channel? What's your channel?
My channel?
Yeah. You don't know?
Logan Taylor. Yeah.
Nah, you're lying. I can
No. Yeah. Look it.
That's not you, bro. He's on.
The neighborhood kids are acting today. Oh! Hey, there we go. Hey, that's how we learn, bro. You're gonna get better on your back too. What up? Another crash? What's happening? I just realized that's an electric. Does he have? Is that a CYC kit? Oh, dude, I just realized what you had. Nice. You like it?
Yeah.
It's pretty sick, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, that thing's a booter, huh? Come on. Come on. Dude, this thing rips. The boys want to show me this little hill climb, plateau kind of. I honestly feels a little more responsive too at like a higher speed. Like if you're a light enough kid, you could probably pop this thing up going 20. I mean, come on, for the price, does it get much better? All right, let's see how far we can scale this thing. Oh, shoot. Dude, that's legendary. Huh? Made it up on the CYC kit.
Yeah.
Brother, let's go. Oh, yeah. There you go. Oh, close call, close call.
Sorry.
You're good. Don't worry, don't worry. Don't worry about us, dude. Just focus. Rip it! This is actually funny. I think the world is healing, dude. Dead serious. Oh, dude, look, he just dusted our boy out. That's messed up. Oh, shoot. Is this another Yozma?
Yeah, bro, my change is snap.
What?
I don't think it's...
Bro, that thing, oh, it's off the front, no.
Mid-ride, one of the homies derailed his chain and got stranded. I had to run home real quick, grab some tools, and help him out. Gotta look out for my Yozma bros out in the streets.
All right, this is my little handy dandy tool. Oh. There's gotta be an outlet in there that fits it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna cruise it home. There we go. And you gotta tighten that chain up ASAP, bro. I don't think the top speed is gonna be any different if I'm being completely honest, but it feels more snappy. So I don't know if that's placebo or am I actually getting more torque? I just wanna hit 50. I gotta get my aerodynamic stance. 48, 49, 50. Oh, 50.9. 50.9, let's freaking go.
Before the day ended, we had to hit one last spot. We pulled up to my buddy's compound out in Temecula, and the spot is unreal. There was a whole crew out there, 110s, Surons, and of course, the mini e-motos.
Yeah, what? Oh! Have you hit that? No. Oh, dude, you got that all day.
Oh my God.
Easy! Told you! Oh! Hey, you seen that little steez action on that thing? I know you saw that. Bro, you're actually insane, dude. You're nuts, bro. I think this bike will make this. It's just gonna hurt. Oh! Skirt! But I mean, it's kind of fun because you can just hold it wide everywhere.
Whiskey throwing with that.
You're good.
Why'd you say that?
I know, you jinxed it.
Wrong grip.
Dude, okay, you ripped that.
And that's gonna wrap up the video. If you're interested in this bike, check out the Yozma IN10 Standard for now. The Pro model drops in early March, so stay tuned for that. You could use code ZAY at yozmasport.com to save money at checkout. Pretty good bike for the price. I can't even lie to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Peace.